Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, scholarships from different universities and organizations, and job vacancies in different companies. To watch the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. In the present video, I would like to talk about organizations' digital transformation success relies on different IT teams. Organizations are rapidly implementing sophisticated technologies as they are shifting to the digital. This typically begins with building a transformative vision pertaining to how an organization will look like in the digital world. Transitioning to a digital ecosystem requires considerable undertakings and a skilled digital transformation team that will define an organization's digital structure and processes to facilitate the germane changes within the company. Here is the list of top 10 IT roles that will define a successful digital transformation. First one is data architect. A data architect plays a key role in today's big data world. It is the architect behind data architecture, creating blueprints for data management systems. Data architects design a plan to integrate, centralize, protect, and maintain data. As industries are increasingly going through a massive digital transformation, the role of data architects has become crucial. They allow businesses to access critical information in the right place at the right time. Cloud specialists. Cloud specialists are responsible for maintaining the cloud related issues within an organization. They implement and maintain server and network infrastructures. As a cloud specialist deals with a company's information and services to be migrated to the cloud, their role is crucial for continued operation in a digital landscape. Migrating a business application to cloud infrastructures are a significant step towards digital transformation. Cloud specialists help companies to make faster and successful cloud migration. Third one, digital product managers. The success of a product team lies in the ability of a digital product manager. They oversee the entire life cycle of a product. A digital product manager is also responsible for storytelling, crafting product narratives, while owning the entire product from top to bottom to ensure effective user experience. UX. User experience is called UX. Fourth one, financial analyst. Financial analysts make business recommendations for an organization based on analysis they carry out on factors like market trends. They articulate the financial value of digital transformation strategies, create a business case, and present an accountability matrix. They are primarily responsible for creating financial models that can envisage the outcome of business decisions. Financial analysts work with all members and other finance professionals to ensure that the team looks at transformation activities from a financial standpoint. Solution architect. A solution architect is an expert and one of the most imperative and client facing roles in the IT industry. They are the technology readers and design the IT architecture of a software system. As digital transformation demands specific expertise and a set of practices to align business focus with the technology solutions, solution architects perform a crucial role in explaining how the adoption of these practices can help solve business problems. Data analysis. Data analysts. Data analysts hold a vital role in the digital transformation journey as they retrieve, gather, and assess data. They enable organizations to take a data-driven approach to the decision-making process. Data analysts explore the way how data can be used to answer questions and solve problems businesses face while making the digital leap. With the development of computers and an ever increasing move towards technological intertwinement, data analysis has evolved greatly. Chief Digital Officer. A Chief Digital Officer focuses on creating new business opportunities, revenue streams, and customer services by using digital technologies. The role of a CDO, Chief Digital Officer, can be found operating under different titles such as strategist, digital marketing officer, and digital general manager. CDOs are typically responsible for helping the enterprise to develop and execute a cohesive digital strategy. Eighth one, UX designers. As the user experience is vital for a company's product success, a UX designer plays a crucial role in the entire process of acquiring and integrating a product. UX designers work as part of a wider product team and help bridge the gap between the user, the development team, and key business stakeholders. They generally advocate for the end user. They should understand the customer journey and develop an optimized experience. They also make sure that IT solutions have a user-centric design. Data administrator. Database administrators specialize in storing and organizing data. They comprise everything required to manage a database and make it available as needed. They install and upgrade the database server and application tools. As a database administrator requires knowledge of database queries, database theory, database design, and more. They ensure compliance with the database vendor license agreement, including a number of installations while taking care of licensing renewals. The last one is, and the 10th one, systems integrators. The role of a system integrator is to link component subsystems and ensure they work together as a unit. Systems integrators design, develop, synthesize, and implement technological applications. They are customized to meet an organization's needs. Their role can be found in diverse fields, but generally used in information technology such as computer networking, the defense industry, the mass media, enterprise application, integration, business process management, or manual computer programming. I hope this is a video on the basics of a company's digital transformation. So it is very useful for every computer technocrat. So if it is really useful, please like this video, share among your friends, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you.